What if I told you that kidneys can fail silently, without pain and without warning, while you go on with your life thinking it's just getting older? Would you believe it? Many people only find out when the test shows that their filtration has already dropped by half. And then comes the surprise: increased fatigue, gradually rising blood pressure, waking up at night to urinate. Subtle signs that the body has been asking for help for a long time. I am Edu Rodrigues, a pharmacist and biochemist, and here on the Edu Health Tips channel, my mission is to provide simple information that truly changes your routine. Today, I want to show you how not to sabotage your kidneys and what to do, in practice, to protect them. Think of your kidneys as two powerful filters. They process more than 200 liters of fluid a day, regulate minerals, balance water, and eliminate toxins. But this delicate work depends on what you put on your plate, in your glass, and in your day. Let's start with blood sugar. Spikes after meals damage tiny vessels inside the kidney, where filtration occurs. These small vessels are delicate. With each spike, they suffer micro-traumas. This begins years before someone becomes diabetic. When you base your day on white bread, soda, strained juice, pasta, cakes, and cookies, you train your body to live with high and low glucose levels. The opposite approach is to build meals with vegetables, greens, real proteins, moderate beans, and balanced calories with healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil, nuts, and avocado. Want to measure your own body? A simple glucometer already shows how much your blood sugar rises after eating. If fasting looks good, but an hour after a meal you spike, it's a clear message to reduce quick carbs and improve combinations. Processed foods also take a heavy toll on the kidneys. Besides hidden sugar, many contain phosphates as additives. They appear in sodas, processed meats, ready-to-eat snacks, and even in industrialized dried fruits. It's convenient, it's cheap, but it pushes a load of phosphorus and preservatives that the kidney has to handle every single day. When you cook at home with real foods, the story changes. More nutrients, fewer additives, less toxic work for your natural filter. Another common trap is over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medications. Many people take ibuprofen, naproxen, and similar drugs as if they were water for headaches, back pain, or knee pain. The problem is that these medicines reduce the blood flow to the kidneys. Without enough blood, there is a lack of oxygen and nutrients needed to repair the tissue. Additionally, if you are dehydrated, the situation worsens. Is there a way to relieve pain with less risk? First, by cleaning up your diet to reduce chronic inflammation. Second, by discussing with your doctor alternative and non-medicinal strategies. And third, by using spices with modulating effects, such as turmeric in daily meals, and supplementing with fatty fish or protective fat sources when it makes sense for you. Speaking of hydration, it seems obvious, but needs to be said. You can't wash a car with foam without water. Similarly, the kidney can't filter properly without enough liquid. Those who replace water with coffee all day, strong teas, and soda concentrate toxins too much. The blood thickens and filtration decreases. Set simple goals. 1 glass upon waking, another mid-morning, another in the afternoon, and increase if you sweat a lot or work in the heat. On hot days or during exercise, it's worth replenishing electrolytes in balance, without overdoing the salt if you already have diagnosed kidney disease. La presión alta es un capítulo aparte. El riñón y la presión conversan todo el tiempo. Cuando la presión sube, daña los pequeños vasos del riñón. Cuando el riñón sufre, ayuda a mantener la presión alta. Es un ciclo. Cuanto más alto el número y más tiempo, mayor el daño. Mejorar la sensibilidad a la insulina, perder peso cuando sea necesario, dormir mejor y reducir los ultraprocesados bajan la presión de manera constante. Las técnicas de respiración lenta también ayudan a bajar algunos puntos en el momento. Si los valores superan frecuentemente los 140 en el máximo, consulte a su médico para un plan estructurado. No se normaliza un número alto solo porque todo el mundo lo tiene. Ahora voy a volver al azúcar en otra forma, exceso de fructosa. El azúcar de mesa es la mitad glucosa, la mitad fructosa. Los refrescos comunes y los jugos en caja o exprimidos y colados descargan fructosa de una vez en el hígado, aumentan la grasa en el órgano, inflamación, ácido úrico y triglicéridos. Todo esto pesa en los riñones. Si te gusta la fruta, quédate con la fruta entera y preferiblemente las menos dulces como las frutas rojas. El jugo, incluso natural, es un atajo malo para quien quiere proteger el riñón. La proteína también merece un ajuste fino. No necesitas tener miedo a la carne, el pescado y los huevos si tus riñones están sanos. El problema surge cuando hay daño establecido y apilas demasiada proteína magra sin grasa, como pechuga de pollo sin piel todo el día o caza muy magra en gran cantidad. Esto aumenta la carga de urea y otros residuos nitrogenados que el riñón necesita eliminar. Es mejor elegir cortes con grasa natural, variar las fuentes y si tu tasa de filtración ya está reducida, moderar la porción con la orientación de un profesional. Speaking of tests, ignoring markers is a classic sabotage. It's not enough to look if the lab has flagged a red flag. Understand the trend. High creatinine may indicate decreased function. An estimated glomerular filtration rate below 90 already signals yellow, even without an alert on the report. Between 90 and 60, many people go on with their lives thinking it's normal, but that's already a point where action can be taken and stabilized for years. Ask for your numbers, write them down, compare year to year. If it drops consistently, it's time to tighten care and review medications with your doctor. Chronic stress and poor sleep complete the list. Living on autopilot, irritable, rushed, and sleeping little keeps stress hormones high, raises blood pressure, messes up sugar levels, and promotes inflammation. The kidney bears the cost. Set a bedtime, turn off screens beforehand, walk outdoors, practice a few minutes of deep breathing. It may seem small, but it changes the biological terrain in which the kidney works. At the center of everything is insulin resistance. It is the root of many issues. It raises blood pressure, promotes inflammation, facilitates sugar spikes, and causes vascular damage. And it begins long before a diabetes diagnosis. It can be tracked with hemoglobin A1C, fasting glucose, and when possible, insulin measurement to understand the effort the body makes to keep sugar in check. The practical adjustments you already know: cut added sugar, reduce starch, prioritize vegetables, quality protein, and healthy fats until satiety, move your body every day, and respect sleep. It's simple to say, difficult to do at first, but the body responds. I want you to take 3 ideas home. First, kidneys like a predictable routine: water throughout the day, real food, little ultra-processed. Second, repeated sugar spikes and high blood pressure are like sandpaper on the kidney vessels. Lowering the average protects. Third, monitoring your numbers early prevents surprises. When you act in the early stage, there's time to stabilize for a long time. And, of course, warning signs call for immediate evaluation: persistent swelling in the legs, foam in urine for many days, blood in urine, severe back pain with fever, nausea and vomiting, rapid loss of appetite, or unexplained weight loss. Now I want to hear from you. What weighs most in your routine today? Sugar, processed foods, self-medicating, little water, or poor sleep? Tell me in the comments which adjustment you'll make first and which number on your test you want to improve. I read everything, and it helps me guide the next videos. If this content helped you understand how to practically protect your kidneys, like the video, share it with those you love, and subscribe to the Edu Health Tips channel. Here I, Edu Rodrigues, will stay by your side with simple steps so you can build stronger kidneys, more stable blood pressure, and a longer, lighter life.